get close with it. So here's the hole that was caused by the tree. Here's a tree right here. So now we got to replace this shingle. So to replace it, I'll loosen up this shingle in a way we don't damage any of the matting. Very carefully. Let's inspect it, make sure. Can't even lift it up, look. So brittle. Now I gotta release these nails up here to completely remove the shingle. Once again, very carefully. Trying to release the shingles so I don't damage matting. Look, you can only get it this far up before I start feeling like the shingle's about to break. Already broke. So brittle, can't do anything. Everything just cracks. Matting's loose. This roof can't be repaired, it's too old.